Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Robert E. Martinez, and I am an attorney duly admitted to practice law in the state of New York. I've been asked by the New York State Urban Development Corporation, which is doing business as Empire State Development, or ESD, to conduct today's public hearing pursuant to Section 16 of the New York State Urban Development Corporation Act, or UDC. This hearing is being held pursuant to a public notice published in accordance with the UDC Act in the January 30th, 2016 edition of the Poughkeepsie Journal. The purpose of this hearing is to afford the general public an opportunity to make statements and comments about ESD's general project plan for the proposed project. The hearing will remain open for a period of not less than 1 hour, or until all members of the public who are present at the hearing have been given an opportunity to make statements or comments on the proposed project. This is not a question and answer session. A stenographic transcript of this hearing is being made. Comments presented at this hearing will be taken into consideration by ESD as part of the final approval of the proposed project. First, Mr. Charles Radier will present information about the project on behalf of ESD. Then I will recognize anyone else who wishes to make a comment about the project. If you wish to speak at today's hearing, please sign the register located at the front of the room. Copies of ESD's general project plan for the proposed project are available for your information and convenience. In order to give everyone an ample opportunity to speak, I request that speakers keep their oral presentations to no more than 5 minutes. Speakers representing organizations with a substantial number of members are asked to register and identify themselves as such, and, depending on the number of speakers wishing to be heard, may be afforded up to 10 minutes for their presentation. In order to ensure an accurate transcript and to enable all assembled to hear your remarks, I ask that each speaker, when called, come to the front of the room. Please state your name and address. If you are appearing as a representative of an organization or governmental entity, please identify the organization or entity and state its address. Finally, I want to remind everyone that the purpose of this hearing is to afford the public an opportunity to make comments about the ESD general project plan for the proposed project. This is not a question and answer session. Now I'd like to take care of some administrative matters by asking the stenographer to mark the following documents as exhibits to the hearing transcript. Exhibit number 1 is a public notice that appeared in the Poughkeepsie Journal on January 30th, 2016. Exhibit number 2 is an affidavit of publication in the Poughkeepsie Journal. And exhibit number 3 is a document entitled Hyde Park Infrastructure Capital Project, General Project Plan dated January 21st, 2016. Thank you. Mr. Radier?
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Charles Radier, a Director of Business Development at ESD, and I am here today to present a brief summary of the project. The project involves site preparation and infrastructure development, including laying utilities such as water, natural gas, sewer, and stormwater lines, and construction of a 15,000 square foot wastewater treatment plant that will provide sewage treatment for the site in the town of Hyde Park. Total project costs are expected to be approximately $18,703,756. ESD proposes to make a $2,250,000 grant to T-Rex Hyde Park Owner LLC to assist in the financing of the project. The remainder of the project costs will be contributed by the guarantee's equity. Thank you.
I'd just like to let everyone know that this hearing is being recorded, and I'd like to ask the first speaker to approach the front of the room if they have any comments to make about the project. Let the record reflect that those present do not wish to make any comments regarding the project. Is there anyone else who is present who would like to make a statement regarding the project? There being no one else, we will hold the hearing open until 3 p.m. in order to afford any latecomers an opportunity to make a statement regarding the project. At this time, I will call for a recess in these proceedings until such time as someone requests an opportunity to make a statement. The time is now 2:03 p.m. Again, at any time during this recess, those assembled here may request an opportunity to make additional statements. Oh, hello.
Hi.
I'm sorry, I had already started the meeting. Did you wish to make comments?
I do, actually.
Would you mind just signing the register, please? Do you need a pen? Could just put down what agency you're with, or...
I'm sorry.
It's all right, no problem. All right, there just happens to be one person who wishes to make a statement. If you could just approach the podium and speak into the microphone, they're filming. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's Aileen Rohr, the Town Supervisor of Hyde Park, and I'd like to welcome you and thank you for coming to our town to hold the public hearing regarding the award through the Empire State Development Corporation to T-Rex. Thank you for the opportunity for the public to comment on the Belfield project. This potential project is of great interest to the Hyde Park community, and the town looks forward to receiving a site plan application. Both the town board and the planning board are committed to facilitating a thorough and efficient review process. The project sponsors have indicated that they intend to proceed with the parameters of a concept plan for the full site that was approved in August of 2007. It is important for all project partners to be aware that the concept plan was approved by the town with several conditions incorporated to mitigate potential environmental impacts. One important condition was that the project sponsor would contribute toward a sewer system for the existing Hyde Park Commercial District. More information on the approved concept plan is available at the Town of Hyde Park Planning Office. So thank you once again for allowing us the opportunity to comment, and we look forward to the review of this application. I can provide you with a written statement if you would like.
Do you want to take? Yes, Mr. Reader can take it. Happy to take it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is there anyone else present that'd like to make comments regarding the project? There being no one else present, it's 2:06 p.m. and I'll call for a recess again until such time as anyone else here assembled or any latecomers arrive that wish to make statements. Thank you. The time is now 3 p.m. Before I continue, I'd just like to add to the record, have the stenographer mark as Exhibit 4 a statement from Eileen Rohr, the Town Supervisor for Hyde Park, regarding the Empire State Development public hearing. So that will be Exhibit 4. The hearing has been held open since 2 p.m. to allow for public comment on the proposed project. Before we close the hearing, is there anyone present who would like to make a statement regarding the project? Let the record reflect that no one is present. Again, the time is now 3 p.m. and the hearing is concluded. Thank you.